we have a little bit of time before my shift starts, so we're gonna harvest some of this Guinea manure. Guinea manure is like chicken manure. It's really hot, so you have to cut it or age it. So we're gonna get a little bit of this. The guineas love to roost in this pine tree, so
that's their favorite spot right there.
That's their favorite spot, exactly. So all of their manure gathers right here for us. Eventually, when I get this cleaned up, I'm going to put a good layer of straw down there so I can have it'll start to
shoot
age and decompose the straw. Little ones that
are extras.
Yeah. These are freebies. Gotta love the price.
Action.
Now that is what I call a Missouri dirt snake, and he goes right in the garden. Amazing.
Isn't that pretty?
Trying to get to the bottom, get that manure mixed in there. Cut that a little bit.
Shout out to all the guys that make mixing things with shovels look so easy.
Now that we have our nitrogen mixed with our carbons, I know the carbon is very high because this was, for the most part, decomposed wood mulch. And tomatoes are unique in that each one of these hairs has the potential to become a root system. So now that we have a lot of nitrogen mixed in with our carbon, we can go ahead and bury some of those hairs, and they will become roots.
So are we doing green pepper too to see what we think about how they respond?
No. The nitrogen will be close enough that they'll take up some of it, but I don't want to necessarily experiment with them because they are our food source.
You buried them alive. Shoot. They heard us out here. They're awake now. They're spoiled.
Okay, we have onion. Gonna go on this square foot opposite the tomato, a foot away. It says two seeds every 2 inches, ½ an inch deep. So let's see.
And these are not bulb onions.
No, these are directly from seed.
No, I mean they're not bulbs.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's pretty close.
It's not an exact science. Well, it can be.
It can be, but I am not a scientist.
We'll just redneck it. How big are they? Little bitty, I bet.
Yeah, I bet they are tiny, and this wind is not going to make it fun.
Well, can't even get you in the shot. You keep moving. Oh, yeah, they're tiny. Evergreen bunching.
That's probably more than 2, but that's fine. Yeah, there's some. Okay. They almost look like worm food.
Oh, sorry.
We might just get 1 square out of these.
Oh, that's what I was thinking.
Out of this whole pack? Yeah. Well,
And these, I'm hoping I'm getting this right. These were 2024, and onions are good for 3 years, if I remember right. They were one of the store for longer. Well, Zena's come to help. Hey, Zena.
yeah, Zena's our little farm hand.
Yeah, we call our cats our farm hands. They are pest control masters.
Yes. They keep mice out of the vehicles. They keep mice out of the house. They are pretty good farm hands. They don't. There goes the wind, and there goes a bunch of our. Okay.
Is that it?
I saved a bunch of it. Okay, and for ½ an inch deep. ½ an inch deep is not much at all.
Sasha heard something. She heard
Yeah.
something. She's on guard. Looking, investigating. In my personal opinion, it was probably just a squirrel farting.
Yeah. Okay.
I was going to say do it right past the bar there, and then we'll know it's right there because I have to go make a marker for it. I only made 1 marker.
1, 2.
Scratch up the wood so I know where it starts. Alright. Because I'm going to just stick them right in the center of the plants until we get them growing big enough.
Well,
That's alright. It is what it is.
yeah, we have a lot. This is planted a lot denser than this one.
Well, do we want to put my label on that one right in the center? Since it's
Okay.
did it go? Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think it was quite that far, but okay.
Well, that's it for square foot gardening right now. We're going to go ahead and put in some radishes down here because the spring is getting later and later all the time, and we cannot afford to waste spring around here. See you next time.